Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
When the yearly harvest season arrives, Hakka people make mi xiao mu dessert, consisting of rice mixed with potato starch, which creates a thick paste. The paste is then put through a bamboo sifter, making strands that resemble noodles. The noodles are then boiled and served as a sweet snack known as mi xiao mu.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係Lim Zap Siu. And today we're going to continue to talk more about Hakka snacks. 因為有的時候只是肚子小餓一下，還是要吃一點點心嘛，對不對？所以今天 Leo 可以教我們什麼樣的客家點心？
好，那我就介紹這個東西好了。它的形狀就有點白白長長的，然後可以吃甜的，也可以吃鹹的。
哇，這麼好用的東西啊！
是，然後也可以吃熱的，也可以吃冰的。
哇，真的啊，有這麼厲害？
米奇莫。
Wait a minute, what is this? Leo is just describing a type of food where you can have it hot, you can have it cold, you can have it sweet, you can have it salty. What on earth? 米奇莫。
就是米苔目啦。
哦，对，对，就是米苔目。你讲的没错，对，我们有的时候会吃刨冰啊，就会有米苔目，或者是汤类的也有米苔目。对，所以客家人也是这样子吃的，是不是？
像我们在捏甜，就是夏天的时候嘛，
夏天，
我们会吃加一点那个蒜白，你刚刚说的刨冰蒜白里面加什么红豆啦、粉苔味啦、绿豆、绿苔味，还有粉圆、粉盐。
粉盐，对。Okay, there's a lot of things you can add to it. Again, you can add it to shaved ice, which is
蒜板.
Okay, that's 泡冰, all right? And then you can also add some red beans, 红豆,
粉苔味,
green beans, 绿豆,
绿苔味,
okay? And all together, along with some, 当然要加点糖水在里面才甜甜的。
糖水那是一定要的，不然没甜呐。
Right.
糖水,
okay? Add some syrup to it, and it's tasty for summertime. But you can also make it into a regular, salt-based dish. 所以可以煮成汤。
煮热的吃就是像那个汤圆的吃法，里面有加香菇啦，一些什么肉丝啊，还有葱啊什么，去炒过之后再加汤，觉得我就好香那种。
Right. Okay. So again, you can go the other direction, and you can add mushroom, you can add meat into it, and put into a soup base, cook it hot, and serve it as a regular dish as well. My understanding is 这个米苔目其实它看起来像面，但它不是面，对不对？
对，它跟面一点关系都没有。
Okay. Next time you see this, it looks like a noodle. It's called the 米苔目 noodles, and again, you can have it as a dessert or a regular dish. And so there you have it. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.